when you see people and they are pre-diabetic, that can be a very life-changing moment.
Diabetes is a chronic health condition that affects how your body turns food into energy, and it impacts millions of Americans.
We talk generally speaking about type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. In the case of type 1 diabetes, it's a case of the pancreas not producing sufficient amounts of insulin. In the case of type 2 diabetes, the pancreas is producing the insulin, but the tissues are insensitive to the effects of that insulin.
With type 2 diabetes, there are warning signs that can come before a full diagnosis. That alone can be life-altering.
Because in many people's minds, they think diabetic, oh my, I'm going to end up on insulin. And you say, well, no, actually, you do not have to end up on insulin.
Type 2 diabetes typically develops in adulthood, and for those deemed pre-diabetic, getting to that full diagnosis can be prevented with a few lifestyle changes.
The biggest thing is that they can really do something about it. That they can make a big change in their lifestyle, and they can really prevent further complications down the road.
At the Normweight Senior YMCA, they offer a program to help do just that. The Diabetes Prevention Program is a national program through the CDC and has had years of success at the Y.
It becomes like a support group. It's very, I'm very hands-off. The participants are very hands-on. So we want them to give each other support. We talk about recipes. We talk about, okay, what can you use instead of, say, butter? Or what's working for you? So it's very supportive, very interactive group.
This program has helped dozens of Siouxlanders learn to navigate life in a pre-diabetic stage, teaching them how to make healthy changes within their everyday lives.
So it's a full lifestyle change, and we don't use the word diet. We call it lifestyle change.
For those who are diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, those lifestyle changes still come into play.
In the rural area, we have a lot of people that eat a lot of meat and potatoes. That's just, they may raise their animals, you know, and raise their vegetables and that type of thing. And so there's some education regarding the types of diets, you know, that they might have, and decreasing the carbohydrates in the diet, and watching those types of things.
Now, if you're wondering, how can I determine if I'm pre-diabetic? A blood test is a good place to start.
I think that you go into your family doctor, you get the testing, you know, what we call the random blood glucose, you know, looking for diabetes. That's very important.
In the end, while diabetes is a very manageable disease, staying on top of your health and making simple lifestyle changes can make a world of difference.